How to make French toast. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need slices of bread, eggs, milk, ground cinnamon, and a splash of vanilla extract for that extra layer of flavor. Step 2. Create the egg mixture. In a mixing bowl, crack a couple of eggs. Add a generous splash of milk and a sprinkle of ground cinnamon. Whisk everything together until you have a smooth, well-blended mixture. Step 3. Add vanilla extract. For that subtle but delightful aroma, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract to the egg mixture. This step elevates the flavor profile of your French toast to a whole new level. Step 4. Soak the bread slices. Dunk each slice of bread into the egg mixture, ensuring that both sides are fully coated. Let the bread soak for a few seconds, allowing it to absorb the delicious flavors. Step 5. Heat the pan. While your bread is soaking, heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Add a pat of butter or a drizzle of cooking oil for that perfect golden crispiness. Step 6. Cook the French toast. Place the soaked bread slices on the hot pan. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. The key here is achieving that perfect balance, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Step 7. Flip and repeat. Once one side is beautifully golden, carefully flip each slice using a spatula. Repeat the cooking process until both sides are irresistibly golden and delicious. Step 8. Keep warm in the oven. To keep your French toast warm while you finish the batch, preheat your oven to a low temperature and place the cooked slices on a baking sheet inside. Step 9. Customize your toppings. While your French toast is keeping warm, think about toppings. Fresh fruit, maple syrup, powdered sugar, or a dollop of whipped cream, the possibilities are endless. Step 10. Plate and serve. Plate your French toast with care. Arrange the slices artfully and drizzle with your chosen toppings. The visual appeal is just as important as the taste. Step 11. Enjoy the deliciousness. And there you have it, a plate full of golden, delicious French toast. It's time to dig in and savor the rich, comforting flavors you've created. Step 12. Share the joy. French toast is a dish meant to be shared. Whether with family or friends, enjoy the joy of breaking bread together and relishing in the delightful simplicity of a homemade breakfast. Thank you for joining me on this French toast journey. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and let me know in the comments if there's another breakfast classic you'd like me to explore.